wanted to come on and share with you guys my very first embellishment box that I created. And as you can see, it is a unicorn themed. And this needs to go out in the mail today, so I wanted to quickly share with you guys what I created before I have to send this off. So the base of the box, this is one of the glitter boxes that I got from the 99 cents only store. And I love it, and it was perfect for a unicorn themed embellishment box. So on the outside here, I just have it wrapped up in 2 layers of this glimmer tulle that I got from Joann, and then I just tied it in a bow, and I have this digital cutout that I used my stitch circle die and cut that out and made a hole up here so I can attach it to the ribbon, and I used a garment pin to do that. So I can just slide this off, and I'm sorry for any noise that you hear. I have some kids playing outside. So for the top of the box, I wanted to decorate it, and I think it came out super cute. So to start off, this is some Prima bling that I had in my stash forever, and I laid that down, but the stick on it was not so great, and every so often when I would come back, parts of it would lift up. So what I did was I glued it back down with some of my art glitter glue, and then I went around the perimeters of these and used some glossy accents. And I was hoping that it wouldn't really show, and I think it did a good job. But now these gems are stuck on here for good, which is great. I did cut it apart and just used most of it up here and then the rest of it on this bottom corner. I have these 2 super cute capuchons, if you guys can see, that I got online, and I adhered those down. And then I needed some sort of sentiment, so I pulled out my W+9 Sparkle and Shine dies. I cut that out several times from some heavyweight cardstock. I used my Aqua Shimmer pen, which I love, by the way, to give it some sparkle, and then I put some glossy accents on top to make it really like enamel, like that type of look. So I think that's really cute, and you can still see what's inside the box. So let's open it up. And I'm not going to take everything out because it is packed in here the way that I want to send it. So I'll just go over just what you can see. So as you know, these compartments, you can take them out. So I did take off the one in the very middle so that I can include some die cuts and different types of embellishments that way. So as you can see on the bottom, I took some of my shred and I cut it apart so that it would fit in here nicely. So I have various colors like purple, pink, and the blue. And then you will see little bits of these little curly ribbons. So these are just the remnants of some of the wands I've been making. So I just stuck those in here. I thought they were really fun. So they're just spread out throughout the entire box. So in the middle, like I said, are the die cuts. So I have some clouds, some different size unicorns, and then clouds again. These are the smaller ones. And then these are the die cuts from Party City. In here, I have some paper clips. So I have the unicorn ones and then some star ones. In the bottom center here are some more cabochons. So they're just various ones. These are from Hobby Lobby. They were stickers, but I normally always take the sticker part off of it so that I can use them however I want. And then here's a couple more down in here. In this compartment, I have one of my sequin bows, and I have a couple more cabochons. And isn't that one super cute? And it is a really good size. You can see that in the palm of my hand. And then these are the ones I used on the front of the box. I have a couple of those rainbow erasers that I got from Target. I have some handmade embellishments in this one. I made these out of crepe paper and used my Sizzix tiny rosette dies to create these. I edged them all with some iridescent white glitter around the outside. I used some of this, it's like rainbow colored thread that I got from Joann, and I punched out a flower center here, used one of my stickers from Hobby Lobby, and here is another one. I used some blue foil paper for that one. Here's some gold thread behind that, and then this is a sticker from Michaels. So they're super tiny and super cute. I love them. Moving on to the one above that, so I have some of these Maggie Holmes tassels here. That went perfectly with the colors. I did trim the edges off, or the bottoms off a little bit to fit in here nicely. Here's some more of those sequin bows in various colors. On the top here, I have these clothespins. I covered these with some of that doodle bug, the unicorn paper that I finally cut into, and used my punch that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I covered the front and the back of these, and I layered these punch outs several times and then adhered them onto these clothespins. So I think they came out really cute. Here are a couple of spools that I colored, and I took some of my little shapes or my bottle cap images that I got from Etsy and adhered those to cover up the holes, and I'm gifting her some of that ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. So these are the unicorns, and this one is the star. So this one looks like that. Aren't these images adorable? And two of those fit in there perfectly. I have some various colored and sizes of some roses. Most of these are from Wild Orchid Crafts. I have, in this one, these I got from like a jewelry container set that had a whole bunch of these, and I'd no longer use them to hold my jewelry, so these fit in here perfectly, so I use those. So in here I have some charms and beads that she can use. And these like iridescent, I don't even know what color to call them, but they're beautiful. I got those from a pack at Joann, and I thought they looked really like majestic, I guess you can say. So I included that in here. So a ton of these items fit into this tiny little compartment or container. And then here is a mixture of some seed beads that she can use for shakers. I created some of these bows using my Martha Stewart punch. And then I have these enamel stars in the middle, and they were just really flat, so I actually took my gold stickles and put that on top. So I have a few of those, and then that one has the silver stickles. So that is my embellishment box for my swap. I hope she loves it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.